.48, compact, pretty slim. Fits nice. It's got the slimmer profile. It's a little bit longer than the 43X, but still a really good carry gun. First day with it, so we're gonna make another video, give you an update. All right, Glock 48 MOS. See in the chamber. Clear. Just got it today. It's the MOS. Almost got a 43X, didn't. Today we're gonna open it, shoot it. Okay. Come over here. Comes with 2 mags, full right now of Federal FMJ 115 grain. I have a concealed carry permit, so I can drive around with it loaded. Came with a mag loader system and a lock. First time we're going to use it, so it's clear. Push down on that. Push down. Pull the trigger. Comes off. Today, first time shooting it. Just going to put a touch of some COP on there. Just a little bit. Okay, put a little COP on there. Put it on the grooves. Second 10-round mag. Alright, pull this thing down. Push it in. Release a little bit, push it in. A little bit of a trick to it at first. Save your little fingers. Getting cut up. Make sure you wear ear and eye protection and gloves when shooting. Oh yeah, brand new springs, nice and tight. Same thing. Round 2. Couple more. One more. So this will be 40. Glock 48 MOS. Nice and slim. Gonna want to lube it up when you first get it. Okay. Got the MOS. Need a red dot. So, looking at an RMR maybe? Don't know. Leave a comment. Let us know what sight to get. Or flashlight. That's next too. Probably flashlight first. Burning through these 100 today. I don't know if there's like a break-in for these things or what, but yeah, something's going on today.
Go.
First couple shots with this. I think we're at 50. This will be the 5th magazine. Yep. Actually caught one in the wiper fluid jug. FMJ. Pretty cool. Well, day 1 went through about 80 out of the 100. So we're not shooting anymore. So I want to keep 2 full magazines to carry. Because I can.
I'm gonna put that in.
Huh?
Because I can.
So next video we will do some sort of hollow point. Maybe. If there's another video you guys want to see, what kind of ammo, I don't know. Just started, let me know. So that's it. If you support America and the Second Amendment, like and subscribe. Tell your friends, okay? Make sure you guys follow all rules and regulations. And yeah, just be safe.